In this video, we'll show you how to make your Google TV turn on with a specific source every time. So open your TV settings menu. Now go to the system settings menu. In this menu, you will need to scroll down and find this option called power and energy. Here you will see this power on behavior. Select it. And here you will see a couple of options. Select Google TV home screen or last used input, whatever you want. So I'm just going to select last used input for this example. Now let me change my TV's input to TV. So this is the satellite TV. Now if I turn off my TCL TV and then turn it back on, it will always come up with this last used input. So since my last used input was satellite TV, it will always show satellite TV. I can then press the home button on my remote to go to Google TV home. Similarly, you can also set it to Google TV home screen if you want your TV to always turn on to this Google TV home screen regardless of your last input.